Luke, first competitive start for the Robins, first senior start, how are you feeling?
Yeah, I'm obviously over the moon to have made my first start up, come on as a sub. But yeah, obviously a great result as well, through to the next round.
How did you find the game? Obviously your first men's game, how did you find the pace of it, things like that?
Yeah, obviously it was quite hard actually when I didn't realise how hard it would be, but yeah, I've still certainly got to learn the game, and yeah, hopefully make many more appearances.
Yeah, the crowd really seemed to react when you came on. There was a sort of standing ovation from our side, and late on when you got the ball down the left and you started running, everyone was sort of going crazy. It must be nice to hear the fans that much on your side.
Yeah, I was buzzing when I heard them fans when I come on, like you said. There was a good reaction, so yeah, thank you for them, and yeah, thank you for the support.
Obviously the next big challenge is Wednesday, heading to Leicester. Looking forward to that one?
Yeah, buzzing for that. A few of the lads as well, like all the lads are buzzing for that as well. So yeah, hopefully we can get a result there.
Perfect. And obviously that's a youth game, but is the aim to try and make a few more appearances for the senior side?
Yeah, that's my aim. But just get step game by game. So yeah, it's just hopefully make a few more appearances. Yeah.
Congratulations, and hopefully we'll be talking to you a lot more.
Cheers, thank you.